welcome. You're in the right place. Okay, what I'm gonna go over is talk about the eBay Partner Network, and all you have to do, the way you have to do this, just to sign up, is just scroll down here to the bottom and look for affiliates. It's not gonna say affiliate program, but look for affiliates. It's gonna be right here, my friend. Okay, what you want to do is click on that. Just give it time here to load up. It's taking a little slow here. And just let it do what it do. Actually, it's gonna take us on over to that next page. What you can do is come back later and maybe read over all these topic, or what if you have any Q&A for this page. You can come over here and read all this here. Maybe later. Later it's gonna load up, but it's gonna take you over to a page in just a moment. There's somewhere around here. Switch over. Sorry about that. Just bear with me. Very short video. Not gonna keep you here too much longer. Try to make it short and fast as I could. My internet service is a little poor right now. Sorry about that, guys. Let's take it. I am so sorry about that. Sometimes these things happen to the best of us. You know, like I say, I'm only human. I'm just like you, not perfect. With that being said, but this is what the look like. So you know, like over here it says, right here it says, saying eBay Partner Network. Okay, so that's basically what it's going to look like, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. You can come over here and sign up for eBay affiliates for free. Then said, look